Hey guys, here we have the Yale, like the one in my last video that I just stripped. You might have seen it. If not, go back and watch it and enjoy it. It's like I hope you guys enjoy all my videos. This is a 5-pin lock. This is my cutaway. It's got spools in it. I cannot see anything in there, so I'm not cheating at all. I would never do that. Because, you know, that's just wrong. Set the first pin here. It goes into a little false. Second one.
The scene outside the U.S. Victorian border as the sun rises on day 1 of Operation Desert Clam. Good morning, I'm Diane Simmons. We now
Third.
live at the site of the U.S. blockade. Tom.
Diane, I'm here at the Victorian front where the U.S. has cut off electricity, water, and gas to the tiny 4-bedroom republic.
I'm binding somewhere.
Very tense and extremely dangerous. It's only a matter of time before, oh my God, they've opened fire. It looks like things are getting very heated here. This is not a safe place to be. And now sports.
Over here, honey. I'm chopping carrots for a salad. Here, use this pepper.
Shit, my slip. Tension slipped.
Doing their homework by candlelight.
Damn pig-dog Americans messing with
Let's go top of the keyway.
We can't bathe. We can't do laundry. There's no heat. We can't live like this forever.
It's not forever. You know, it's just, you know.
Peter, I'm up here. Sweetie, maybe you should go over to Joe's and return his pool, huh?
Forget it. We're a real country, and we deserve all the rights and privileges that everyone else gets.
But we have to think about the welfare of our children. Stewie, is that you?
Oh, my mind's made up. I'm not giving up an inch of Victorian soil.
It's not a sign of weakness to compromise. I just think you should... Peter, stop staring at my chest.
Oh, yeah, sorry, Lois. And we're back with our roundtable discussion on the Victorian crisis. You were making a point, John?
Yes, what the United States is doing to Victoria right now is criminal. Nonsense. Force is the only thing a despot like Peter Griffin understands.
Oh, fine. All right. What about that, Eleanor?
It's very challenging lock to pick.
You're missing the point. Our blockade is turning Victoria into a third world country.
Good morning, subjects. What's for breakfast?
Nothing, you idiots. We don't have any food. Peter, this has gotten way out of hand.
Let's see if I can just get one more here.
Newspapers for diapers.
This is fine. 1 second. I just got finished with family circus.
My God, I haven't seen everyone this miserable since that time we were tortured.
I'm sorry.
There it is.
Hey, Lois, if you ever see this dungeon, man, can you tell this grandma who's trying to work me over?
It's time to call this whole thing off. Nobody's on the line.
Are you nuts? Look at all these telegrams. Nice going. Libya. You're the man. North Korea. Great job. Iraq. Lois. Everybody shoot these fellas over for a fact. See, Lois?
And I don't know if you can see them spool pins or not.
You made it.
I didn't know what to bring, so I made coleslaw.
It's made out of people.
Just kidding, eh? Is Mom out here yet?
Yeah, he's over there with Saddam. And then Jerry guessed that her name was Marva. That show was so funny. It reminds me of me and my friends, you know, the way we just hang out. They want to kill them for worshiping your own God. Yeah, and I love that claim.
Well, that's it. 5-pin, spool pin Yale. Until next time, everybody, enjoy and peace out.